Welcome to this tutorial for OnBoard Kinect. OnBoard Kinect is a mobile app ITS created to allow evaluators to complete evaluations out in the field without having to carry all that paperwork. OnBoard Kinect works on a variety of tablets, including iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Let's start the tutorial. From whichever device you're using, choose the Kinect app from your list of applications. The first screen you'll see is the login screen. The evaluator fills out his or her information here. To do this, tap on the username or password field and type in the information using the keyboard that appears on your device. Click the Login button. A tutorial will appear the first time the evaluator logs in. You can scroll through the tutorial by swiping right to left to move through the 4 screens, or you can click Skip to hide the tutorial. Once complete, click Done to exit the tutorial and begin an evaluation. To access the tutorial any other time, click on the menu, which will be discussed later. Before the evaluation begins, the evaluator must sign a disclaimer. This page also includes instructions for the evaluator. Click OK to move to the next page. Anytime while using OnBoard Kinect, you can access the menu at the top right corner of the screen. Tap the 3 lines to see the menu. Tap History to see a history of the evaluations you have conducted. This history goes back 6 months. Tap QR Scanner to access the scanner for your e-wallet card. If you need assistance or are having trouble with the app, tap Help. This will pull up an email log you can send to the ITS Service Desk, who will give a quick response to walk you through any issues. Send the email for assistance. Now you need to choose a student for an evaluation. You can either use the QR code on the student's e-wallet card or type in their information manually. To use the e-wallet card, tap Scan QR Code and your device's camera will appear with a red line across the screen. Line up the QR code with that line to begin that student's evaluation. To type the information in, click the Manual Entry button and type the information with your device's keyboard. The student's name and photo should appear below the field where you typed their student ID. Verify the student is who you see in the photo. Click the photo to move on and select the evaluation you would like to conduct. If your company has access to multiple series, you may have to select a series before selecting the method of evaluation. The series for your company may vary from those listed here. To select the method of evaluation, choose an option from the menu. From here, choose the specific task for the evaluation. Once you select the task, the evaluation form will load. The evaluation form will have a list of items for you to observe the student as he or she completes each task. Tap the check mark if they complete the procedure, or the X if they do not. If the student does not complete one of the procedures, they will fail the performance evaluation. Failed evaluations require a comment, either on the procedure or at the end of the form. The evaluator can make a comment on an individual procedure by tapping the ellipses icon and tapping Comment. The evaluator can also take a photo of the student completing a procedure by tapping Add Image. This information will appear on the PDF of the evaluation that is stored in the OnBoard Learning Management System. Your company can contact ITS to upload best practice images. If those are available for a procedure, you will have a View Best Practices option. Tap the option to see the best practice images. Once the evaluation is complete, the evaluator must confirm they are the person who conducted the evaluation. The evaluator signs the appropriate area at the end of the form. The student must also sign the appropriate area. Once the evaluation is complete and has been signed, click the Submit button.
The evaluator may then conduct another evaluation for the same student by clicking Yes to the prompt. The evaluator can also stay signed in and conduct an evaluation for another student by selecting No, which will take the evaluator back to the Select Student screen. Tap Logout if you want to log out of the Kinect app. This completes the tutorial for the ITS OnBoard Kinect app. If you have any questions, you can find more information at our website, its-training.com.